Hey guys, hope you're doing well today. Are you looking for a quick and easy dessert either for your dinner or to take somewhere? Stay tuned and I'm going to show you an easy coconut pie coming up. Now take a paper towel and a tablespoon of butter, and we're going to butter our pie plate very well and then set it to the side. In a medium bowl, we're going to take our eggs, sugar, and vanilla, and we're going to mix that. Mix that very well, and then we're going to add our milk as we mix. Now stir in your Bisquick mix. And finally add the star of the show, our coconut, and mix well. Then get our greased pie plate and pour mixture into pie plate. We're going to take it and bake it in the oven. And voila, a beautiful coconut cream pie. Enjoy!